Alright, welcome back everyone. So, in this video, this is gonna be our second clipping masks video, but I'll just be showing you what is possible for the for this exercise, which is the clipping mask exercise, continuation of it. So in this one, you're gonna have to remove. Well, for this one, you have to remove the designs yourself. I've already removed mine. The shirt. For this one, you gotta you're welcome to exercise any creative freedom to create whatever you like in this. So for example, for this shoe, what would you do? I think you can select individual areas between the stitching, or it doesn't even have to be the stitching itself, but you'll have to select areas on this shoe and create a clipping mask so that you can put graphics over it or a different color over it, right? So that's one option. For this one, you can remove the design and then put your own design on it. You can make your own design, or you can get the design from somewhere else. Just make sure it's an image that you can use and not someone else's property. Make sure it's like open for use by the public. And so for this one, let's do this together. Well, I'm not gonna make you follow what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna show an example of what's possible. You're gonna have to figure out what you want to put on this shirt. You can put text, you can put graphics on it. Whatever you do, you have to use clipping masks or other clipping methods. And I mean, to remove the design on this shirt, you will have to use one of these tools to do it. So you'll have to figure that out yourself. I got mine removed already, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you an example of what I can do. Okay, I'm gonna maybe write something. Okay, let's choose our font. Okay, maybe I'll place it like this, and then I'll choose the size. Okay, maybe a little bigger, 30. Okay, this is okay. Maybe I want to center it. Okay, so all right. Okay. All right, and then okay, apply. All right, so I got this selection. Now with this, I will create a clipping mask. Before I do that, I need to layer via copy. Okay, so that I'm left with this design. Okay, now I'm gonna import something. I'm just gonna use this image of the bird that we used to put it in our text. So I'm just gonna go Control A to select all, Control A, and then Control C to copy, and then come back here, and then Control V to paste. Let me just resize this. Okay, and then press Enter. All right, and then now I'm gonna make a mask. Okay, create clipping mask. Okay, and then now this layer is using this layer as the mask. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that. All right, and I kind of don't like the spacing between this, so I think what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna take this area and then just kind of bring it up like this, like so. Okay, all right. Okay, and despite moving the ipsum part up, okay, the mask is still intact. with the image, with the bird image, not manipulated. Okay, so you can here, so see if I move, oops, auto select, turn off auto select. Okay, if I do this, all right, so I'm moving the mask itself, and even if I take a separate part like this, okay, and then I'm gonna move it somewhere, the mask underneath it is still intact. Okay, so I'm just gonna maybe I'm just gonna do this. Okay, all right, and then I'm gonna move this like there. Okay, also when you select this one of the images, like turn off auto select. If you do auto select, Photoshop will try to like guess what you're actually trying to move, and it's gonna select things for you. So turn off auto select right here, okay, so that you can select a layer and then move just the layer without selecting something that you're not intending to select. Okay, and then what should I do here? I think well, there's also the curvature and the gravity, right, that's being applied to this shirt, right? So I think I will go to edit and then transform and then warp. All right, so if I do warp, I can actually kind of pull things down just a little bit and make it look a little bit more realistic. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do right here. Okay, and then maybe I'll, yeah, okay, done. Let's see how this looks. All right, looks pretty good. Looks pretty good, right? Okay, so do something like this. Do not follow exactly as I've done. You have to have your own idea. I'm just showing you a sample of what's possible. Okay, so work on these 3 images, and I'll see you next time.